What appears to be soft and gentle can overcome what appears to be hard. What seems to have no substance can penetrate even the most dense of spaces. In the same manner, what appears as not doing can have an advantage, and living your philosophy without words is a wise way to share by being an example. Not many understand the advantage of no words and no actions. Fame or living an authentic life, which matters more to you? Wealth or inner contentment, which has more lasting value? Gain or loss, which perspective brings more pain? The more you attach to things, the greater the suffering when they are gone. The more you hoard, the less you will experience the joy of giving. A grateful person is not focused on disappointment, knowing what is enough, is stopping in time. Living in this way, one fulfills himself and lives on and on.